Hello, welcome to FaveCode 54. My name is Favor. I'm going to teach you rapid web development. Before we start, I'm going to show you an example or examples of what our previous students did. Okay, so let me show you what Glowfame, what he did. So this is his website. He took this very course you're about to take right now, and at the end of the class, he was able to develop a very pretty site. I'll show you what all the students did. I mean, we had so many students who took this class. I mean, but these ones are just the highlights. So, Glowfame. Glowfame was able to do this pretty website upon completing this course. So, if you follow the materials we're giving you properly, you should be able to create pretty sites like this, if not prettier. I mean, he never had any experience in development before he came to FaveCode, but this is what he has done so far. And there is Deji Lawal. Yeah, right now this is what he's done already. He did this after taking the class. He never had any prior experience before coming to FaveCode. And this course would last for 2 weeks. So at the end of the 2 weeks, you'll be able to create something pretty like this. Ifani is a web developer. He took the web development course, this one. He also took the chatbot class with FaveCode. So he was able to do a site like this upon completing the course. So you should be able to create something very pretty and amazing and elegant like this when you're done learning. So just follow the course materials the same way, or follow them properly, like just follow the order we're giving them to you, and you should be able to create stuff. You should be fine to go. Yes, so getting started. What do you do first to take this course? You already enrolled in the class, so the first thing to do is, what are we going to start? We're going to start with HTML to learn. The goal of this class is to learn HTML and CSS and Marvel by MIT. I'll tell you what to do. And GitHub. So HTML is basically the content on your site, like your links, images, texts, audio files, etc. The CSS is you're gonna know, like, you don't need to know all of these things right now. You're gonna learn when you start taking the class. I'm giving you an intro to this. And there is CSS, basically the style, the colors, all of the shapes of your buttons, etc. And then you have Marvel by MIT. This is just a framework to build dynamic sites, dynamic websites, web applications using HTML and CSS. It's a framework by MIT from our friends at MIT. And then there is Git and GitHub. So it's basically for collaboration. I'll tell you what this means. So while taking this course, at some point you'll be told to work on a few projects with your classmates. So learning Git and GitHub will allow you to work on the same project, like, without conflict. So 100 people can work on the same project without having any issue at all. So, and GitHub basically is just a code hosting platform. You write your code in a PC, you could host it there in the internet for everybody to see. So yeah, basically this. So you're going to learn what all of these things mean. Basically, it's an acronym: hypertext markup language, cascading style sheet. You know what all of these things mean. I would give you a link to start taking this class. So how do you learn? First of all, before we proceed with this course, we're going to send it to Udacity. What's wrong with me today? Udacity. So there is a free course on Udacity, HTML and CSS on Udacity, and this is the course, Intro to HTML and CSS. I'm going to paste a link to this under this video. This is it. It's a free course, you don't have to pay for it. It's Intro to HTML and CSS. So when you're done taking this course, you're going to return and follow back where you stopped. So, well, why are you taking this course on Udacity? Udacity is a very good place to learn for free. Not really for free, they have nano degree programs that you have to pay. But this course is very excellent. Like, all our students went through this and they became professionals. So just follow what we're saying you should do. Now, while learning on Udacity, there is another website you should marry. There is w3schools.com. This is the biggest platform in the internet to learn web development. They teach you HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, PHP, etc. But you're more interested in HTML and CSS. This is more of a reference. So while learning on Udacity, always come here to learn more. If you learn about colors, come back here to learn about colors. It's not, you're not repeating your learning, you're just learning more, right? Learn about elements or whatever element you learn, like the bold tags and the rest. Come back here and just learn more. I'm going to post, this is a reference. I'm pasting this to the ref should be W3 Schools. So when you're done taking this, let me just give you what's it called, the order of learning. Number 1, Udacity, HTML, CSS with ref. Learn more here at W3 Schools. Number 2, you come back to us and learn Git and GitHub. There's going to be a video right here, Git and GitHub. And then finally, we're going to learn Marvel by MIT. And then number 4, you're going to do a project. So to get started, what's the first thing to do? You have to create an account on Udacity. Create an account on Udacity, enroll in that class, and take the HTML and the CSS. So now you are here on Udacity. This is the course. I mean, we already gave you the link, so just click on, if you don't have an account and you click on start free course, it tells you to log in. So sign in if you don't have an account, or sign up. I mean, with the help of the social media login, it's very easy to log in now. There is login with Facebook, Google. Yeah, I mean, I could already log in with Facebook because I have an account with them. So I could take this class. I mean, some people took this class in 2 days, some people took this class in 4 days. It doesn't matter, just take your time, make sure you're understanding what you're learning. It's very important that you understand the basics. Do not skip the basics. You would always come back to it. Do not skip the basics, please. So this is the course on Udacity, HTML and CSS, boxes, practice, do the practice tests, please. Framework, boost, like just learn all of these things, please. When you're done learning, come back and continue learning Faith Code, okay? So yeah, this is going to be the order of the lectures, and we're going to keep posting videos in this order. So while we're waiting for you to finish this, we've created a video on Git and GitHub. While you come back and while you're taking this, there's going to be a video in this, and we're going to do the project together, and then you should be able to call yourself a professional web developer, basically. So hope to see you soon, and we hope to see the amazing stuff you build with Faith Code.